Hi, this is LT Survival. Another knife review, another SanRenMu. Love those SanRenMu. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Well, this SanRenMu is particular because, well, they don't have all the same steel, and their construction sometimes, 99% of the time are really good. SanRenMu makes a lot of knife for a lot of companies. They're not expensive usually, and they're not a bad knife. This one has a steel of 12C27, a Sandvik steel. They use it quite a lot in their line, but the handle must be like the FRN. It's PA66 and glass fiber. So I would assume it would be very close to the FRN, fiber reinforced nylon. So you can see it is brown with cuts, and it is a tip down right hand knife. It's a small knife, so it's a pretty much four-finger, but barely, knife. Really good grip on it. The surprising thing on it, has the glass breaker in the back. Let me see if I'm gonna focus. So you have a glass breaker in the knife. So if you carry this knife in your car and you grab it with the thumb on top of the handle, you can break the glass. So it's a useful knife. I mean, thumb stud, ambidextrous thumb stud, easy to open. The you can flip it if you know how, and it's a liner lock, so no frill. FRN on both sides, don't basically fiber reinforced nylon, and there's a back strap here that covers most of the space in the knife, so you have just that small opening for the knife to be open or closed, but it shows only this part of the knife. Okay, there is no cutout to take the weight, and you do not see any of the pivot pins. There is also a lanyard hole here. Okay, 550 should be able to thread through, and you have a thumb rise to be able to put your thumb on it. It's comfortable. Jimping is not that grippy, but sufficient, and it doesn't dig into your hand, and it's very comfortable to hold. So very sharp. There is a design name to it, the Wind Runner design. So whoever it is, it's probably a team of designer for the knife. There is a screw in the. We see a screw that seems to be holding the FRN. I'm not sure why, but I would have to disassemble, which is about midway into the knife, maybe underneath the name. So SanRenMu again, 12C27, the 7090 LUX-PO. You can see all the writing on this side with the Wind Runner design, and the number here, and the triangular form for the year make and 01, so that might be 2018. So it's a FRN, but it's grippy, which is nice because usually FRN is really slippery. Voila. Very small review, 12C27. The price I paid for that was $10.33, a rebate from $10.75. But now it's not available yet. It's arriving shortly. There's an arrival notice in GearBest. if you wish to see this knife. I find the design of the blade a classic, quite classic, drop point with a swedge on top here with the riser here, and basically flat space belly up the tip up to the center line of the blade. So it's full flat grind. No, it's not a full flat grind. It's a saber grind. Is it? No, it's a hollow grind. I'd say it is a hollow grind. So it's a hollow grind, and you've got a secondary bevel here. Really sharp, really neat. One knife to see. If you wish, give this video a thumbs up if you liked. Thumbs down is as good. If you have any comments, please write them below. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you back in the next video.